Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about that how can you clean the temporary files out of your PC. So temporary files are created whenever we are performing any of the activities on the PC, and they can actually take up useful memory space and in turn slow down the PC performance. So it is necessary to clean them from time to time. So for this, what you need to do is go to this PC, go to view and make sure this hidden items is checked. Then in the address bar, type in percentage app data and again a percentage and press enter. Now this would take you to the roaming folder in the app data. So come back to the app data folder and here go to local. In the local, you need to search for a folder called temp. Now if you open this up, this contains all the temporary files and temporary data, and you can check the size of this folder by going here and right clicking into the properties of the temp folder. For me it is 354 MB because I keep on clearing my temporary files from time to time, but in your case it might go on to gigs as well. So what you need to do is just press Ctrl A for all these files and press Shift Delete to permanently delete these files. If you get any of these errors for the admin permissions, make sure to click on continue and accept that all the files should be deleted. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.